Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anjali and today we would be discussing about a very important and interesting tool which is N8N. There aren't much videos on YouTube about N8N, its use cases, how to use it, and hence I felt this can be a very useful topic for today's session. So, what is N8N? Before starting with what is N8N, let us see one use case. Let's say I have a use case where maybe I want to fetch some data from OpenAI or maybe some stock exchange or any other application, and then do some sort of analysis, operations on top of them. And then based on that analysis, I want to serve my clients with some of the insights. So, as a developer, all we need to make this sort of system is to connect the lines by feeding the output of one app as an input to the another. Because we could already fetch data from the required source, right? Like OpenAI in our case. Also, assuming that we already have some processing logic available, and obviously we do have the notification platform which is Slack available. So all we would need here is to connect the dots between these apps. Also, these sequence of actions chain together combine to form workflow. Uh, Getting back, so what are the available options in order to connect these dots? So as a developer, we usually write code in order to achieve this. So here comes in N8N, which actually facilitates the linking of these apps together through its powerful built-in automations. So here is an example. I have taken this example from their website, N8N website itself. So this is an example of one such workflow where we just define our apps via action node and link these actions via some sort of function nodes. As explained in previous videos as well, a workflow always needs some sort of trigger point to start its execution. So in this example, as we can see, when a user submits the form, it triggers this workflow, right? So you might have seen some other examples as well. When you fill some sort of Google form, and the moment you click submit, you receive some sort of email that your response has been recorded. So clicking on submit button actually triggers a workflow which sends you some sort of notification via email. This is similar to that. Now once the user submits the form, then there is another node which is the AI agent node. This node takes action based on the inputs it received from the form submission, and then it has some if else condition based on which it makes certain changes to the Slack. Okay, so this was just an introduction. In the next videos we will be diving into the installation of N8N, creating simple workflows, and then slowly we would be progressing to advanced ones. We would also see how can we actually leverage the free version of N8N, because a lot of features are already coming in paid version. So for beginners, how can we switch to the easiest way of free version is what we would be exploring in our upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.